Welcome to day 1 of the GlowFitGuide 30-day bodyweight challenge. Over the next 30 days, we're going to get stronger, leaner, and more energized using only bodyweight exercises. Today's session is all about bodyweight resistance exercises. No equipment needed, just your determination and enthusiasm. Before we dive in, remember to keep water nearby and take breaks whenever you need them. Listen to your body, especially if you're new to these exercises. Ready? Let's go. Exercise 1, push-ups. First up, we have push-ups. Push-ups are a fantastic full-body exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Begin in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push yourself back up. If you're just starting, drop to your knees for a modified push-up. Aim for 10-15 repetitions. Keep that core engaged and back straight. Tip: this protects your shoulders and improves push-up form. Exercise 2, bodyweight squats. Next, we're moving into bodyweight squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointing outward. Lower your body down as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your chest up and knees aligned with your toes. Then push through your heels to stand back up. Bodyweight squats are perfect for working the legs and glutes. Let's aim for 15-20 reps. Breathe out as you push up. Tip: try to keep your weight on your heels, not your toes, to protect your knees and get a deeper glute engagement. Exercise 3, glute bridges. Now, let's target those glutes and hamstrings with glute bridges. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Push through your heels to lift your hips, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second at the top, then slowly lower down. Try for 15-20 repetitions. Glute bridges not only strengthen the lower body, but also support your core and back. Tip: press your heels firmly into the floor and avoid lifting too high to prevent arching your lower back. Exercise 4, planks. Up next is the plank, an amazing core strengthening exercise. Position yourself on your elbows and toes, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold the plank for 30 seconds, focusing on keeping your core tight and hips level. If you need a modification, drop to your knees. Planks strengthen your abs, back, and shoulders, perfect for building a solid foundation. Tip: squeeze your glutes to keep your lower body engaged, which helps maintain a straight line and reduces lower back strain. Exercise 5, lunges. Now we're going into lunges. Start by standing tall, then take a big step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees are at about 90-degree angles. Push through your front heel to return to standing, then switch legs. Aim for 10-12 reps per leg. Lunges are excellent for toning the thighs and glutes and improving balance. Tip: keep your chest up and your shoulders back to avoid leaning forward, which helps target the legs more effectively. Exercise 6, mountain climbers. Get ready to pick up the pace with mountain climbers. Start in a plank position and bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs as if you're running in place. Mountain climbers are great for your core, legs, and shoulders. Try to go for 30 seconds, keeping your movements controlled and steady. Feel that cardio boost. Tip: make sure your hands are directly under your shoulders to maintain proper form and protect your wrists. Exercise 7, bicycle crunches. Now let's work the abs with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring one knee toward your chest while twisting your opposite elbow toward that knee. Switch sides in a pedaling motion for 20-30 reps. This move hits those obliques and lower abs for a well-rounded core workout. Tip: move slowly and focus on the twist to fully engage the abs, rather than rushing the motion. Exercise 8, triceps dips. Let's get into triceps dips to target the back of the arms. Place your hands on the edge of a chair or bench. Slide your hips forward and lower your body by bending your elbows to a 90-degree angle. Then push back up. Aim for 10-15 dips. Triceps dips are great for toning the arms and building upper body strength. Tip: avoid letting your elbows flare out to the sides. Instead, keep them pointed back to really engage the triceps. Exercise 9, Superman Hold. It's time for the Superman Hold. Lie face down on the mat, extend your arms and legs, and lift them off the ground, squeezing your glutes and lower back. Hold this position for 20-30 seconds. The Superman Hold is excellent for strengthening the lower back, which supports your core and overall posture. Tip: keep your neck neutral by looking at the floor, which helps prevent unnecessary strain on your neck. Exercise 10, Jump Squats. And finally, let's finish with jump squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, lower into a squat, and explode up, jumping off the ground. Land softly and go straight into the next rep. Jump squats give you a cardio boost while strengthening your legs and glutes. Aim for 10-15 reps and finish strong. Tip: land softly by bending your knees as you come down. This helps absorb impact and protects your joints. Well done, everyone! That's day 1 of our 30-day bodyweight challenge complete. Keep up the hard work, and remember to stay hydrated and give your body the fuel it needs. Join us tomorrow for day 2, where we'll dive into more exciting exercises. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss a single day of this challenge.